To automate Authorize Accept.js. Start by understanding the basics of Accept.js, a JavaScript library that enables secure payment processing. Accept.js allows you to collect sensitive payment information from your customers without having it touch your servers, thereby reducing your scope for PCI DSS compliance. First, you need to create an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your requests to the Authorize Net gateway. Next, include the Accept.js library in your web page by adding a script tag that points to the Accept.js URL. The next step is to set up a payment form that collects payment information from your customers. This form should include fields for card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as any other relevant payment details. Use the Accept.js library to generate a payment token, which is a unique identifier that represents the customer's payment information. To generate the payment token, you need to create a payment form and add an event listener to the form's submit event. When the form is submitted, use the Accept.js library to send a request to the Authorize Net gateway to generate a payment token. The payment token is then returned in the response and can be used to process a payment. To automate the payment processing, you can use the Authorize Net API to send a request to the gateway to process a payment using the payment token. You can use a server-side programming language such as Java or Python to send the request and handle the response. Best practices for automating Authorize Accept.js include using secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt data in transit, validating user input to prevent errors and security vulnerabilities, and handling errors and exceptions properly to ensure a smooth user experience. In summary, automating Authorize Accept.js involves creating an Authorize Net account, including the Accept.js library in your web page, setting up a payment form, generating a payment token, and using the Authorize Net API to process a payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently automate payment processing using Authorize Accept.js.